Very good afternoon all. I am Dr. Amit Biswas from Agriculture Engineering Department, Haldia Institute of Technology. Today I am going to deliver one lecture on the agricultural practices and its effects. First one, we have to know what is agriculture. Its origin is agar or agri, that means soil, cultura, that means cultivation. So in combination, it is agriculture. So it is basically one kind of applied science. It covers crop production, fisheries, livestock management. Now, agricultural practices influencing soil quality. First, excess fertilizer, excess pesticides, poor quality irrigation water, heavy metals, harmful microbes, improper crop selection, and crop residue burning. So, all these activities are involved to influence soil quality and overall environment. Now, what are the effects of excess fertilization on soil quality? First one, the advantage. The effect of fertilization on the soil quality, its advantages are contains essential nutrients for crop growth, supplements the existing soil condition with additional nutrients, increases crop yield, improves crop quality, improves soil texture, improves poor quality land, recycles nitrogen, introduces essential bacteria, and increases profit of farmers. But some disadvantages are also there. It harms soil microbes. The excess fertilization harms soil microbes, causes soil and groundwater pollution, reduces soil carbon nitrogen ratio, eutrophication, reduces soil fertility, expensive, provides short term benefit, and changes soil nature, either too alkaline or too acidic. Now, the effect of pesticides. So, advantages are optimum use of pesticide have some advantages, but excessive use will have some disadvantages. So now the advantages first: reduce the disease and pest attack, reduces the crop losses, increases crop yield, improves crop quality, increases profit of farmers. Now the disadvantages due to excessive use, it is air pollution, reduces soil fertility, water pollution, both surface and groundwater, affects farmers' health directly and reduces food quality. Now, the global scenario of pesticides or insecticides application. For India, it is insecticides 76% used, herbicides it is 10%, fungicides it is 13%, and others it is 1%. But for the world point of view, it is insecticide 44%, 30% herbicides, fungicides it is 21%, and 5% others for world scenario. So it is little bit different in case of India as compared to the world figure, because in case of India more than 32% pesticides, insecticides are used in Indian scenario. Now the effect of fertilization on groundwater quality. Number 1, oxygen depletion. Number 2, nitrate leaching, ammonia toxicity, fecal organisms are increased, odors, the bad odors and the bad gases are also involved in this case. Now the crop residue burning. What are the effects of crop residue burning. Today's scenario, so many crop residue burning are observed. So it has negative effects. So what are those? Soil environmental loss affects soil environment, soil organic carbon loss, soil fertility reduced, soil biodiversity loss, crop productivity reduced, air and water pollution increases, chronic heart and lungs disease. So overall, it is the impact or effects of crop residue burning in the environment. Now, wastewater. The raw wastewater application for agriculture irrigation purpose have so many negative effects due to its physical contaminants, chemical contaminants, as well as the microbial contaminants. So for that purpose, wastewater treatment is utmost important before application for agricultural irrigation. So what are those wastewater treatment processes? So first one is primary treatment, then secondary treatment, third tertiary treatment, and now it is advanced treatment. So first one is for suspended solids removal. It is primary treatment. So what are those steps and what are the processes involved? One is sedimentation, gravity separation, filtration, septic tank, screening, flotation, and centrifugation. After that, uh, in secondary treatment, that is oxygen ditch, aerated basins, trickling filters, absorption, activated sludge, membrane reactors. So it is basically for biodegradable organic matter removal. So applications are garden irrigation, wetlands, manufacturing cooling, non-food crop irrigation. Now tertiary process. It involves media filtration, membrane filtration, adsorption and chemical coagulation. And it is basically for additional organics and pathogens removal. Application for food crop irrigation and landscape irrigation. And for advanced technique, it is advanced oxidation process, activated carbon reverse osmosis. And it is basically for polishing stage, an application for drinking water, recharge of surface and groundwater bodies. So all these treatment processes are involved to treat either municipal wastewater or industrial wastewater or any kind of wastewater. We can treat through these processes before application for agriculture irrigation. Now some case studies are mentioned in this lecture. It is impact of treated wastewater irrigation. So it is one case study for China. It is treated wastewater irrigation effect on soil, crop and environment. Wastewater recycling in the lowest area of China. So it basically, in most cases, the quality of crops that made use of treated sewage was not distinctively different from those that did not use treated sewage. However, yields for the former were much higher than the were for the latter. So leachates at different soil depths were analyzed and the results did not show alarming levels of constituents. For a period of approximately 14 months, the treated sewage irrigation had no significant effect on the lowest soil and no cases of illness resulting from the contact with the treated sewage were reported. So with heated sewage irrigation, a slight increase in the organic content of the soil was also observed. So it is the basically the effect of treated wastewater irrigation on soil, crop and environment for this particular study. Now another study is for impact of treated wastewater for irrigation on soil microbial communities. So here basically results were analyzed using UNIFRAC coupled with principal coordinate analysis who compared diversity and abundance of different bacterial groups in treated wastewater irrigated soils to soils treated with fresh synthetic fresh water. So here basically the most of the sequences associated with nitrifying bacteria, nitrogen fixing bacteria, carbon degraders, denitrifying bacteria, potential pathogens, and fecal indicator bacteria were more abundant in treated wastewater than in synthetic freshwater. Therefore, treated wastewater effluent may contain bacterial that may be very active in many soil functions as well as some potential pathogens. So now it is Biswas et al. So here treated wastewater is used for lettuce farming. So water footprint and its productivity of lettuce with non-conventional water resources. So here basically the after harvesting it was found that the weight of lettuce leaves of freshwater pot was 161 gram and wastewater pot it is 310 gram. So it is significantly improved, almost double production with the help of treated wastewater for lettuce farming. And root length is also was also significantly higher under wastewater pot. It was for fresh water, it is 12.5 centimeter, and wastewater pot it is 17.1 centimeter. And water productivity is also 3 times higher than the freshwater pot. It is for fresh water 13 milligram per cc, it is water productivity, and for wastewater it is 39 milligram per cc. So that means it is 3 times improvement, and water footprints also reduced, and it is for fresh water 77 cc per gram, and for wastewater it is 26 cc per gram. So it is significantly reduced water footprint with the significantly improvement of water productivity of lettuce under treated wastewater in this study. So that means wastewater application after treatment it is beneficial for agricultural crop production as compared to the freshwater irrigation. So it will help in future study also. Now the another study is evaluation of groundwater quality and its impact on human health. Case study from Chotanagpur region in India. Here major cations that means sodium, calcium and major anions that is bicarbonate, nitrate and fluoride exceeded their standard limit in both seasons. Non-carcinogenic health risk is found due to heavy metal contamination through drinking water. The health risk index was higher for children in comparison with adults. This research finding can definitely help to planners and administrators to immediate action taking regarding public health for groundwater quality improvement. So here some different scenarios were observed. The health hazard, the groundwater quality was not good for drinking purpose. So now it is concluded that for wastewater treatment, proper treatment methods have to be followed. Either it is domestic water, or it is industrial water, or it is municipal water, whatever kind of water it is, proper treatment methods have to be followed if for application for agricultural irrigation purpose or any other purpose, that means a drinking purpose or any other purpose. So with this, I conclude this lecture. So here for agriculture and its practices and its effects were all discussed. Thank you very much.